Here's a screen door from 1922 house, 98-year-old. This is the original screen. It's a copper screen. The reason I can tell it's original, there's no other staple holes in it. It was really sagging on the top end here, and I've tightened it up, so I wanted to show you how I did it. I removed the wood pieces that were covering it up, and then I put some clear duct tape on there just to kind of hold it all together. I use that to pull with the pair of pliers to get it tight, and I stapled through it. But first I put a sag in the door, blocked it up on each end, and then pulled it down with clamps, and also did it in the middle to tighten it all up, or to give it a sag. And then when I remove the clamp, it will gives it a little extra tension. There, you can see it did it. So now she's a little bit tighter. So I've only done to where the staple gun is there. I'll remove that board at the bottom, remove the staples here, and then put some more clear duct tape on it, and use the clamps again to put a bow in it and tighten it up to pull it as tight as I can with the pliers, and then staple it, and I'll show you the results at the end. Into a problem underneath this piece of trim that was holding the screen on. The wood was all rotted away here, so I scraped it all out. I clamped on a board behind it to support. We put wax paper here, and then we're just going to put Bondo Glass in here to fill it up. And then we'll put wax paper on the top of it and smooth it off. And then when the Bondo is about 80% dry, then we peel off the wax paper and leaves a perfectly smooth finish. I mean, you're going to have to sand down the high spots, but you don't want to leave the wax paper on all the time, then it'll stick. We'll just get it kind of laid in there. We'll come back when it's 80% dry. All right, so we checked it here now. It's getting hardened. It's been about 5 minutes. And we just peel off the wax paper. And we'll remove the clamps. Oh, my board already came up. Never mind. one little fly. Gotta try and see if that sticks. There. Now we just let it dry completely. Sand her off. All right, here's what it looks after being sanded. You can see it's filled it in. It's all nice and square. Yeah, that one spot didn't come out right, but it'll be good enough. It'll hold. So next we got to finish tightening up the screen, and then we'll strip the paint off of it and repaint it. Okay, just to get you caught up here, here's where the Bondo I put in came in. See how nice and smooth that is? Looks good. I was able to just staple right through it with just a regular staple gun, not a pneumatic gun or anything. Got the screen in place. Then I went and cleaned the screen. It's a copper, or actually bronze screen, I guess. And it says to clean screens, use vinegar and salt. And then the whole dang thing turned green. And I had a heck of a time trying to brush it out and blow it off. Got all the green stuff out of there. And so then what I did was, here where it's looking good, I put some oil on it. I got a cleaning solution that is, well, it's multi-purpose. It's all wood. I use it on my cabinets, shines them up nice. So you can see that it's cleaning up that green stuff from the screen that I cleaned with the vinegar and salt. So that's where we're at.